guys, so this is the second part to my video, and I feel like I'm literally moving around the college just to take these videos. Hopefully my audio's a lot better in this section and there's less tinniness or cracking, but we're going to carry on from the template I created in part 1. Okay, as you can see, there is no difference. Okay, it's the exact same app as before. Okay, but now we're going to put in some apologies about that. We're now going to put in content. Okay, so we're going to actually start making our app come to life a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, we've already put in our logo. Okay, whether that be a logo that we've installed, or what I can also do, if I wish to do it differently, is I can download an image from the website. So if it's Charity Box, I locate the image at Charity Box. If it is .coach, I locate the .coach image, and so on. So where the logo is going to be, if I go across to if I go across to the second section and I click media, or I can type in media. Either way, it depends on your personal preference. Okay, and just trying to think which way. No, I do apologise. I'm the wrong method. I think it's web. Yes, web download picture. So we can click on. Okay, that doesn't want to work there. I think that's because we put it in the wrong bit. So if I cut that out, you put it in the top section, the initialize. Paste it in, locate an image. So for this one, I will use .coach, if I can find them online. So I want to use the .coach logo, okay? So I can right click on the image, view image, and I have the link just here. So if I click it and copy it, I can now paste it into there and tick. So with my web download picture, I want to store it so I can use it later. So once I click on store in var, I then create what is called a global variable, which is a variable that can be used by all of my pages. Okay, so I create it once, and I could turn it into a global variable called pick and put that there. Okay, and now all I need to do is type in pick and put in post to wall. So web download picture with a web link and store it as a variable and turn it into data. And then where I want my logo, I put pick post to wall. And let's test it. Okay, that error that just came up is because I'm hiding behind the SSL certificate of the college. If you just click maybe later, it will still work. And so I've replaced my face with .coach. Okay, I want to remove this test because obviously I don't want it to be part of my app. It was the container, it was to keep the information in the middle. Okay, so I'll just remove the container, the test. Again, maybe later. And now I have my logo. Okay. In my main section, I'm going to remove this bit now, and I'm going to write .coach, or if it's Charity Box, I could have Charity Box. Okay, It's going to annoy me doing that. .coach. Okay. Now, the reason we used boxed was because it gives us a lot more control over the text inside the main section. So, just underneath my text of .coach, I am going to type in box, set horizontal align, center. So it should center that text if it's right. And it isn't. The one thing I'm missing is my width. Because at the minute, there's no width on it. So if you wish to have your text central, you'll need to go box, set width, and use the same width as the container. If it's too big, it will disappear off the screen. So 20. Now my .coach is central. So I have a header, in a sense, a logo and a header. Okay. Now, after my .coach, I want to add some main content. So I'll start a string again and put enter to create a new line because it's after the .coach. Okay, so I want a line break. Okay, and I will write, I'm just going to put something random. Welcome to .coach. Here you will find out everything about .coach. You could obviously put in a lot more information if you wished. Okay, and do a post to wall again. And run it. Now as you'll notice, because I've got a set size, as I said, it is going off the screen because I've told it to stick at 20 EMs. So all I need to do to fix that is say box where are you? I cannot find it. Text wrapping, okay, and just accept the default. And it is automatically in there. Now it is centralized because it's still under the box here, which I set central on. Okay? But that's okay. Because remember, it is basic. Having central, having it to the left, having it to the right, that's not something you're going to get marked down for. At the end of the day, we just need a finished app. Okay? For my footer, okay, once again, you will not be able to click in front because it doesn't seem to work. Okay? So if you just press the left arrow to move the cursor to the beginning, press enter, and then remove this text, and this is some footer text. So just a simple enter command has given me spacing now. Okay? This is something that we're slowly getting there. Okay, so our app is slowly building and becoming more like an app. Okay, so we're going to leave this video here. Okay, and in part 3, I am going to show you how to add in picture buttons and get yourself some nice fancy icons, okay, that we can use to go across to our other pages that we created earlier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.